How to update your iPhone software. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily update your iPhone to its latest software. So first thing, just open up your settings on your iPhone, and once inside here just scroll down and click on this general section. So once you click on this general section, you can see there is a about section. You can just tap on this to view your current iOS version. So it's, for me in this case, it's 18.5, so which is the latest version of the iPhone 12. So you can easily head over to this software update button or section and just update your application and just update your iPhone software if it's available. And as you can see, currently it's up to date for me in this case because I've already updated it. But if you see any update available, you can just tap on it and simply schedule your updates likewise. And if you want your software update to be automatic, you can just enable this option that is automatic software update. So basically enable all of these options over here, and if you want it to do it manually, you can just turn this off. So it's better to turn this on, and once you do all of that, you should be easily able to update your software update on your iPhone. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.